Did you know the same group of people were secretly used as test subjects by two different governments at the same time? From 1953 to 1976, the Soviet Union aimed microwave radiation at the U.S. Embassy in Moscow. Low level, invisible, constant. American officials found out and said nothing to the staff inside. Instead, they launched a classified program called Project Pandora. They began quietly tracking the health of exposed diplomats, watching what the radiation was doing to human bodies. The Soviets were running an experiment. The Americans were running a different one. Neither told the people in the building.